And this is the final product. I chose a greenish brown color, but I don't think it's really obvious in this lighting. We're finally here for dinner. We're having like a clay pot lamb stew thing. It's different from the one I had before. And lots of work to eat this one, but it was super tasty. I'm here to pick up a bag I got online. I was trying it on to see if the color suits me because when I came to try on a few days ago, they only had another color in store. The essay was nice enough to help me repack it into the box. I got the Speedy 20, which is a good size because I tried the Nano but it was way too small. This Speedy 20 can actually fit a lot of things after I use it a few times. I got the beige strap, and it also came with a mini key for the lock, which is kinda cute. I also got new accessory piece because I have been searching for new additions. So I was shopping and tried on a few silver bracelets, and I landed on this butterfly one with crystals on it. We are going on a perfume workshop. So the workshop started with learning the different types of perfume and scent notes. Then we got to try on different scents to pick the ones we like. After that, I'm just dropping each scent on a separate sample strip to see if I like the combination and make adjustments as needed.
对他的草草很执着，有人。
After finalizing the scent combinations, we are making a small sample to get a better sense of how the perfume will actually turn out. And at this stage, we can also adjust the different liquid ratio according to our liking. While waiting for the sample to be fully mixed, we came to choose the bottle for the perfume. And here we are seeing if we are satisfied with the sample.
你是果园跟后不是
多闻一会儿，多闻一会儿，因为你可能现在只闻到你前调，对吧？你过一会儿到中调，过一会儿到尾调，
就有点到中调了。
Finally making the actual bottle of perfume after doing some math to figure out the weight for each scent. We also got to add color for the perfume and mixing the dye bit by bit.
这是一点点。
加多了。
Well, supposedly bit by bit. I also added some glitter, the white glitter, to get the shimmery look. I named my perfume Belle 25 because I want to be more confident and beautiful this year.
We're on our way for dinner. Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that I can change. Remembering all of those nights beneath the window frame. Don't know why we keep美食必须得相信你。Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that I can change. Remembering 你愤怒的表情被我录下来。笑愤怒，很愤怒。
This marks the 6th consecutive year I'm spending my birthday in Canada. This year's celebration was a simple dinner with a bunch of close friends getting together and catching up. I think it gets harder to spend time together as we get busier with work and life. So I'm very happy to be able to celebrate another year of growth with them. Also, we celebrated our birthdays together since they're just few days apart, and 2 cakes is better than 1.